Hello students, so in this problem we have given 4 points A, B, C, D, and we have to find out which option is the correct option. Okay, now let the plane be equation of plane passing through point A. Through A is A x minus 4 plus B y minus 5 and plus C z minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now let's suppose point B and point C lies in this plane. So point B and C satisfy the equation of plane. So let's put the value of point B. So 0 minus 4 plus B, if we put minus 1, so minus 1, this will become the minus 6, and plus C, if we put minus 1, so minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 will be is equal to 0. So it will become the minus 4A minus 6B and minus, so take the minus 2 as a common, so it will become the 2A plus 3B plus C is equal to 0. It means 2A plus 3B plus C is equal to 0. Okay, now let this the equation first. Now we have also supposed point C is lie in the this plane. So put the value of coordinate of point C. So A and 3 minus 4, so minus 1, and B y, so put the value of y is equal to 9, so 9 minus 5 4, and plus C, and put the value of z at 4, so 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this will become minus A plus 4B plus 3C is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Now solve 1 and 2. So it will become A by cross multiplication, it will become the 9 minus 4 is equal to upon this is the C, and this is minus 1 and minus 6. Now C upon will be the, this is the C, so leave it, and this is the 2 and 4, so 8 plus 3 is equal to, let this is equal to K. So from here we can write A is equal to 5K, B is equal to minus 7K, and C is equal to 11K. Okay, we have to now we have the value of A, B and C. If point D lies in the same plane, then point D satisfy the equation of this equation of the plane. Okay, now let put the value of D in the equation. What we have to what will get? So put the value, first of all, this is the 5K x minus 4 plus 7K, this is the minus, oh sorry, this is minus, so minus 7K, and this is the y minus 5 plus 11K z minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now so this is the 5K, and this is the x minus 4 minus 7K y minus 5 plus 11K, and this is the z minus 1, so z minus 1 is equal to 0. Now take k as a common, so it will become the 5 x minus 4, this is the equal to 0. Now 7 y minus 5 and plus 11 z minus 1 is equal to 0. Now put the value of coordinate of point D. So coordinate of point D is the minus 4, 4 and 4. So this is the 5 minus 4 minus 4 minus 7 4 minus 5 and plus 11 4 minus 1. This is the LHS of, okay, so it will become the 5 minus 8 minus 7 minus 1, and this is the 11 into 3, so it will become the minus 40 plus 7 plus 33, so this will become the 0. it means LHS is equal to RHS. So hence proved the fourth point is also lie in the same plane. This is that is formed by the other 3 points. Okay, so option B is the correct option. All 4 points are the coplanar. Thank you.